Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup PayPal app settings and Webhook integrations, beginner guide step by step clearly. To backup your PayPal app settings and Webhook integrations, start by logging into your PayPal developer account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. From the dashboard, locate the My Apps and Credentials section. Select the app you want to backup. You'll see details about your app, including its settings and credentials. Take note of the client ID and secret for your app. Next, scroll down to the Webhook section. Here, you'll find a list of all Webhook URLs associated with your app. For each Webhook, click on the Webhook ID to view its details. Make sure to also note the Webhook URL itself. Open a text editor or a document to save this information securely. Paste the client ID, secret, and Webhook details into your document. After you've recorded all necessary information, check for any additional settings configured for your app. This might include payment settings or API version preferences. Take screenshots of these settings if visual references are needed. Store your document in a secure location to ensure easy access in the future. Review your document to confirm everything is captured accurately. With your app settings and Webhook integrations backed up, you can proceed with updates or migrations confidently. Regularly backup these settings to stay prepared for any future changes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.